You'll only need a few simple ingredients and less than 5 minutes to whip up this easy peanut sauce recipe. It's great for dipping your favorite fresh spring rolls into, or drizzling over any and everything that needs a sweet and spicy kick. Hey there, I'm Lynn in Brazil from Evolving Table, and today we're doing a quick kitchen tip where you'll learn how to make a homemade peanut dipping sauce. It's super easy to make with only 6 ingredients. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and see what those ingredients are. The primary ingredient in the sauce is, of course, peanut butter. Smooth peanut butter is preferred, as well as one without any added sugar. This gives you the chance to adjust the sweetness of the sauce to your preference. Next is soy sauce. Regular or gluten-free kind, such as Tamari, works great. Coconut liquid aminos may also be used if you're avoiding soy. An acidic component gives the sauce a nice tanginess. Rice vinegar is the most common and authentic type to use, but fresh lime juice may also be substituted. Some type of sweetener also makes up a good bit of this dipping sauce. Brown sugar will taste the best, but honey and agave nectar may be used if you'd like a healthier alternative. If you're on a low-carb or keto diet, you can also substitute with a non-nutritive sweetener such as stevia. The spicy kick comes from a bit of either chili garlic paste or Sriracha sauce. Add as much or as little as you'd like depending on your desired heat level. And a clove of crushed garlic. Garlic powder can also be substituted if that's what you have on hand. So go ahead and grab a medium-sized bowl in either a whisk or a spoon. Add half a cup of smooth peanut butter. If it's pretty thick, microwave it for 10 seconds or so before adding to help soften it up. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or a gluten-free kind like Tamari. 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, or fresh lime juice. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or honey. 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce. And 1 clove of crushed garlic. Stir until smooth and well combined. Slowly add in warm water 1 tablespoon at a time to help thin it out. Whisk well after each addition. You'll end up adding in somewhere between 3 to 6 tablespoons. I've added in 5 tablespoons of water to get mine to be a good dipping consistency. Peanut dipping sauce will store well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Or you can use it all up after making these fresh spring rolls. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.